Thank you for choosing MyHealthChecked. This video will explain how to collect your sample and perform your stomach ulcer rapid test. Before you start, check you have all the components listed on the packaging: the test cassette, the specimen collection tube with extraction buffer, the stool collection paper, and the instructions for use leaflet, which must be used in conjunction with this video. Read the precautions and testing process sections on the instructions for use leaflet and ensure you have allowed sufficient time to perform your test. You'll need to collect your sample in the bathroom and ensure you have a worktop space to perform your test. You are now ready to collect your sample. Wash your hands with soap and warm water. Secure the collection paper to the toilet using the adhesive tabs. Collect your stool sample in the collection paper. Unscrew the blue cap from the specimen collection tube. Insert the blue applicator into the stool sample in at least 3 different places. You only need a small sample, about the size of a grain of rice. Place blue applicator back into the collection tube and screw it on tightly. Shake the tube to mix the sample and the extraction buffer that's inside the tube and wait 2 minutes before proceeding. You can now flush your biodegradable collection paper and stool down the toilet. Performing the test. Remove the test cassette from the foil pouch. Unscrew the white lid from the specimen collection tube and break off the tip of the dropper. Then, add 2 full drops of sample into the specimen well, marked S, on the test cassette. After 10 minutes has passed, read your results. Do not interpret your results after 20 minutes. Please consult the IFU for instructions on interpreting your results. For more tips and advice on how to manage your test results, please head to www.myhealthchecked.com.